rectangular living and dining area. This part of the house is your kitchen area. You can check out the interior work as this is your bedroom space. You can check out the TV unit space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Sumadhura Pramoda project, which is located in Kinchanahalli, RR Nagar, Bangalore. And this project is developed by Sumadhura Group. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the actual land parcel where the construction work is going on. And now about the marketing office is just over here. Here you can experience your 3 BHK model flat and get all the information of the project as well. Now, let me introduce you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project. So this project will be constructed on total 3.5 acres of land parcel with 2 towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 28 floors, having luxurious 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Now let's check out the amenities. So here on this project you will be getting wonderful luxurious amenities like of the wonderful kids play area, the garden area, pets area. Here you can check out the half basketball court, multi-purpose court, open gymnasium, tree house and many more. Now about the location part. So this project is connected to the Mysore Road, Kinchanahalli, RR Nagar, Bangalore. So let me show you that this is the Mysore Road over here. And let me discuss about the further connectivity and the location of the project. So this project is 5 minutes away from Jnana Bharati metro station. D-Mart is 2.6 kilometers away. Poonam Mahal is 3.1 kilometers away from the location of the project. So now let's have a look at your 3 BHK of 1930 square feet super built up area, and here we start. This is the main entrance, and once you enter you can check out the foyer area for your privacy purpose. And this is your rectangular living and dining area. This part of the house is utilized as a dining area, so you can easily set your dining table over here. And this side is the living area where they have set the sofa set in front of the TV unit. And a very well interior work done for your reference. And now this is your balcony. The two-side open view balcony with anti-skid wooden finishing, flooring and toughened glass railing as well. So you can enjoy the beautiful scenic view of the city. Now let's move further towards your kitchen area. So as this unit is in butterfly concept, your one bedroom is on this side at the side of your kitchen area, another bedroom on the other side of the house. So this is your kitchen area. You can check out the interior work as well with the platforms, the cabinets. And here they have provided one window for ventilation and lighting purpose as well. And this side is your utility area. The utility area is much more spacious with the platform, the sink, the half wall structured, the anti-skid tiles and the washing machine provision. Now let's move further towards your bedroom area. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom number 1. So as mentioned, this is the butterfly unit concept which is over here. So this is your bedroom number 1. The interior speaks out that this is a kid's bedroom. So here's the bed space, the wardrobe space. Even they have added up a study table and a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And the ample of space in this bedroom as well. This is the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house. So walking through your dining area, here's your bedroom number 2. Once you enter, you can check out the space as well, the bed space, the TV unit space, the wardrobe space. There was a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here's the window, the huge window. Now exactly opposite to this bedroom is your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that, let me introduce you with the features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tool, with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features under one platform. That is www.housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule your free site visit now. This is the master bedroom where we are entering into. So the uniqueness starts from the flooring itself, with the vinyl finishing flooring. And this is your bedroom space. You can check out the TV unit space, the bed space. Here is your balcony. So they have provided a balcony which is attached to your bedroom. That is a master bedroom. Here comes your wardrobe space. And now even this side is your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So the plus point in the master bedroom, that is the balcony, the two-side open balcony and the attached washroom as well. So as you all know, we are here in Sumadura Group's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And all the information and details of the project are provided in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.